Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start using AWS the easy way. First, you'll need to create an AWS account. This involves providing a valid email address and setting a strong password for security. Once your account is set up, you can immediately take advantage of the AWS free tier. This tier provides access to over 100 different services, allowing you to experiment without incurring costs. It includes always free services, 12 months of free usage for many popular services, and short-term trials. Now, let's dive into some core AWS services that are great for beginners. Amazon S3, or Simple Storage Service, offers highly scalable object storage, perfect for websites or backups. Next, Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, provides virtual servers, giving you flexible computing power. Finally, AWS Lambda allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers, a fantastic option for event-driven applications. These three services form a strong foundation for your cloud journey. Security is paramount when working with AWS. Always enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, on your root account and all user accounts for an extra layer of protection. Utilize AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM, to grant specific permissions to users and services, following the principle of least privilege. Additionally, keep a close eye on your spending by regularly checking the AWS Cost Explorer to avoid unexpected charges and manage your budget effectively. To continue your AWS journey, leverage the extensive official AWS documentation and tutorials available online. They are incredibly comprehensive. Engaging with the AWS community forums can also provide valuable support and insights from experienced users. If you're serious about a career in cloud computing, consider pursuing an AWS certification, such as the Cloud Practitioner, to validate your skills and open up new opportunities. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.